Acha. So now at present you are in IIT Bombay. Let us talk about some things about that. So tell us about your journey at IIT Bombay. कैसा जा रहा है सब? And according to you, now being an IITian, what is the difference between a regular student from any other university than an IITian? Because हमें पता है इंडिया में being an IITian is self-sufficient to say that you have achieved something in your life.
Yeah, so basically, IIT Bombay offer a very strong research environment. What stand
Hmm.
out here is the peer group, like in your research, like peer guides, and the most importantly is the IIT exposure. So
Exposure.
so the difference is not just in resources, but in mindset also, right? So people here constantly think about the problems and discuss idea and put each other very much intellectually. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, here what I observe, like in other universities and here, so here interdisciplinary research is very much like
Appreciated. Huh?
appreciated,
Hmm.
because I'm working here on disease modeling,
Hmm.
like mathematical modeling. Basically, I will apply the mathematical techniques,
Hmm.
but the guidance what I am receiving from humanity social science faculty,
See.
economics department faculty, chemical engineering faculty, and one is from department of physics. And
Mm-hmm.
even faculties are very much supportive here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
if you are doing any research work, just discuss with your faculty, and whenever faculty need to elaborate or discuss your work with somebody else at
Mm-hmm.
like higher authority, so
Mm-hmm.
faculty just take your work and they
Mm-hmm.
will discuss.
Okay.
You won't need to
Present
be
there
too much
hai. Huh.
frustrated, not present.
Huh. Huh.
Faculty will present, and
Okay. Okay.
he will present
Take care
and
of
he will
everything.
discuss. Yes,
Huh.
he will take care of everything. You just need to be sit there. You
Hmm.
have to just prepare the presentation slide what you have
Hmm.
done in your research.
Hmm.
Faculty will give all the answers to all the question of higher authority. So
Okay. That is a
here
very big
it's a
support.
yes, and actually, uh, interdisciplinary research it's a very much advantages, because people, if you are working in mathematics, so whenever you will get idea from other department, so you will see that you will get from other techniques, you will get
Hmm.
some input for other techniques to solve that problem.
Hmm.
So getting into IIT,
Mm-hmm.
first in my opinion, so
Perspective,
first
yes.
thing, so my perspective is to getting into IIT, you should be little bit
In your
clarity
mind,
of your
yes.
पर्पज
Hmm.
कि
Hmm.
हमको आईआईटी जाने का मेन हमारा पर्पज क्या है,
Concern
उद्देश्य
क्या
क्या है.
है? Hmm.
And basically I focus on my research background also in my interview only, because my
Hmm.
interview ran around 1 hour approximately. So basically I
Okay.
focus on my research background, and
Hmm.
I don't have too much publication, but still I
Hmm.
discuss about all my papers 7 to 8, whatever
Hmm.
are under review,
Hmm.
whatever
Hmm.
I accepted, like this.
Hmm.
And first thing that whenever you are entering in research, like at a higher level, you should be very much understanding about your field,
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
if you don't know your field and you are
Hmm.
randomly thinking here and there, you are randomly thinking that I will get like this, so
Hmm.
this will create ambiguity, or like you will face very much difficulties.
True, true, true.
and 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 one thing that normal research institute and IIT research institute, normal research institute, I what I observed, there is very much less, two things, very less interdisciplinary research,
हाँ,
because if
yes.
people are in
जो
mathematics,
मैथ का
so
है
they
वो
are,
मैथ का ही काम कर रहा है,
so
जो
maths
इंग्लिश
में
का
ही
है, हाँ.
कर रहा है,
जी जी
whether
जी.
they are collaborating with some other university or foreign,
हाँ.
so they are
हाँ.
collaborating with mathematical field only.
Field only. True.
Right, and also second thing that it's a politics among faculty as well as the students.
True, true, true. It is
So
honest.
here,
Yes,
yeah,
it
so
is not like that. They are here. They
yeah,
are
so
thinking on
in IIT,
success.
nobody is feeling jealous to anybody else. Just come together. We'll get the
Work
problem.
together.
We'll
Huh?
do the
Yes.
we'll do this research, and we'll try to give
Make it
like
successful.
a better output, make it
Mhm.
successful for the public or general audience.
Okay,
So
okay,
that's
okay.
the basic difference between this.
Actually,
Even
that is the core essence of doing PhD, na? We are doing PhD.
Yeah.
If it is not useful for the society, then what we are doing?
Yes,
And that
yes.
is